Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 26,279 miles on the odometer. This radar detector is not included in the sale. That will be removed. This car has factory matte paint, but then it has a full body matte PPF over it to protect it. And then anything that's gloss black was wrapped in a clear PPF. So this thing is fully protected, non-smoker, super clean in here. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in the camera. That is not in person. We're just driving in kind of standard mode here. Alignment feels good. Steering's perfectly straight. Got the carbon ceramics on this thing. They're massive, so this thing stops on a dime. Shifts nice and smooth. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this has full body matte PPF, and then anywhere that is gloss black, so around the fender flares, the lower rocker, side mirrors, that has your standard clear PPF. So pretty much everything on this is fully protected. Date code on all the tires is 2022 and 2023. So that's 23, that's 23, that's 23. The back left is 22, but it's at the end of the year when it was built, so it kind of is on par with all of this. So this is all the same. They didn't replace just these three. So you got to look at those date codes. You can see this one is the 31st month of 2023, and that other one is like towards the end of the year of 2022. So I think they were all installed at the same time. Looking at that wheel, gloss black, absolutely gorgeous, massive, massive caliper with the carbon ceramics. Looks incredible. These are 285 3523s. Got the PPF here. Like I said, the satin PPF there looks incredible. You do have a couple little impacts right there. Side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar looks good. Looking at that door, absolutely gorgeous. This color is really cool. Looks like a Batmobile. That looks good. Now you do have some rash right there that was repaired, touched up at some point. The rest of that looks good. Carbon ceramics. You have the dark window tint, and the front windshield is tinted as well. You have PPF on the headlights. And you're going to see a couple impacts here and there. And then the hue of the film on this is a little bit different than here. I don't know if that's just from the sun, maybe the heat from the engine bay, but it's just a very light difference. And you may not notice that in camera. Scanning that. Got a tiny little impact there. Got one up there. And these are just little bitty rock impacts. But it's fully protecting that OEM paint there. Couple impacts on the front. All really subtle, small stuff. That's like a little bubble in the film. Thing looks good. Fender looks awesome. You have one little chip there. I don't see any other curb rash. Lower rocker looks good. Side mirror's clean. A-pillar looks good. Got a tiny little impact there. From what I can tell, that rim looks really good. Got the gloss black here. When you look at that, all of this has PPF on it as well, fully protected. Really good. And then looking at the bumper here, you can see the PPF. It's in all these little nooks and crannies. It's protecting all of that. So they did pretty much all of that gloss black trim down here. Just the only spot I don't see film is right here on the spoiler. Hey, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Got all black here with the white stitching, and this is a perfect time to see the factory paint. So like I said, it is a factory matte paint, and then they did full body matte PPF to protect it. So looking at the jambs, you can see the matte right there. So it's not a gloss black, it is a factory matte paint. Looking at that door panel, looks incredible, nice and clean. Got the Lamborghini all-weather mats. That trim looks really good. A couple wrinkles here from getting in and out, but very minimal. The rest of that seat looks perfect. Very, very nice. Here on the steering wheel, nice and clean. All of this looks good. Got the Alcantara here on the top side, nice and clean there. That screen looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Now with the gloss black trim here, you're gonna have typical like micro scratches from just kind of wiping it down. Pretty common on all of that. The rest of that looks good though. Smells great in here. Really, really clean. Here on this door panel, looks incredible. Got the memory seating. Floor mats look good. Bolster's nice and clean. Really nothing to pick apart here. The Alcantara looks amazing. Got the gloss black trim. Underside of the glove box is perfect. Upper side of the dash here looks good. You're selling this car here on consignment, so this I believe is not included with the car. Once it sells, that will get removed, if I'm not mistaken. Here on that door panel, that looks perfect. Got the all-weather mats once again. And then just looking at the seats, bolsters look good. I mean, they look brand new. I don't see any flaws, even on the seat backs. Looks amazing. All right, here on this door panel, looks incredible. That's all nice and clean. Beautiful interior. Here in the cargo area, that looks incredible. Got the Alcantara here on the top. Looks nice. And of course it is power. And then you have the shade up here. So when you put stuff in the trunk, you cannot see anything from the outside. Looking around the engine bay. Of course, lots of plastic, so you're not gonna see much. It looks good. Cover's nice and clean. All of that looks awesome. Checking out the underside of the hood. Looks really cool.